Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unboxing for you, and in today's video I'm filming in a different setup, and that is because this box is a rather large box. It weighs over 2.5 kilos in total, and I did try to film it in my regular setup, but it was just too big and there was too much stuff on the desk to be able to film it in all its glory. So I thought, you know what, I'll set the camera up somewhere else so I've got a little bit more room to play with. So let's get straight into the video. Now this is really exciting. This has come from someone in the community on Stackers Social. I've actually got a helping hand here today to see if he can lift it after I've finished unpackaging it. Now, like I said, this has been sent to me from someone in the community in Stackers Social. As soon as you see the piece, you'll probably very quickly be able to identify who has sent me this. This is not something for me to keep. This is just something for me to showcase. And this is actually going to be up for auction on Stackers Social within the next few days. So I've got to film quite a quick turnaround. Once I've finished showcasing this today, I'll be getting it packaged back up and I'll be sending it back so that it can be ready to go to its new owner. Wow, look at this. We've got a few goodies in here. Now, have we got a note? Is this going to be a note? Yeah, we've got a note here. So it says 365, as promised, here is a piece of Primark poured alley for you to showcase. Didn't have enough time to tidy it up as much as I wanted, but almost good to go. This will be the next piece I put up for auction on Stackers Social, so hopefully you and Silverpunk get into it again. Thanks for all you do, GSH. So as you can see, this is from GSH, and this is an aluminium pour. He recycles aluminium. His last pour that he listed for auction on Stackers Social did very, very well, and it was actually recycled from an old boiler and an old ladder. So I'm not exactly sure what has been melted down to make this piece today. So I'll be very interested to hear in the comment section from GSH. Please let us know what has been repurposed and melted down to create this stunning piece. Now, I've actually had a sneak peek of this. GSH, when he reached out about sending this over for me to showcase, sent me over a couple of photos, and that is why I'm so excited to see it in the hand. You can already see it's an absolutely incredible piece, size-wise, really, really large. 2.5 kilos of aluminium. And for those of you that have seen GSH's work over on Stackers Social, you'll know that everything he produces looks absolutely incredible. Now, I don't actually think Spider-Man is going to be very helpful today. Let's have a look. He is not going to be able to lift that. Not in a million years. Look at that. No way. I thought it'd be quite cool to get him to hold it, but no chance. Maybe if I hold down the base. There we go, look. He's not going to be able to lift that. So I'm sorry, my friend, you're going to have to sit over there and just watch this unboxing today. Not going to be able to get stuck in like you wanted to. Wow, this has been wrapped really, really nicely. Lots of bubble wrap around it to protect it. I can start to feel the metal now. I can feel the metal coming through. This is an absolutely incredible piece. Now, I will put a picture on the screen for those people that are not in Stackers Social, or for those people that missed the last auction that GSH did, to show you the piece that he put up for sale. And I'll put the picture on the screen now, and you can see an absolutely incredible piece. I believe that weighed around 2 kilograms, maybe slightly over. But this piece is the biggest piece so far that GSH has poured. And like I said, it weighs 2.5 kilos. So this is actually bigger than the last piece that he put up for auction. And these are just incredible. They're art pieces. In terms of intrinsic value, aluminium is not a very expensive metal. But in terms of artwork and the work that goes into producing something like this, it's very hard to put a price on something like this. But let's have a little look at how it looks. Wow, this is so cool. Look at the size of that. Now, I believe this piece is called Freya. And what an incredible slab of metal. Look at that. It's like something you would find if you was digging around an old castle in the remains. Look at that. Absolutely incredible craftsmanship has gone into this. It feels incredible in the hand. And considering aluminium is quite a light metal, just because there is so much to this piece, you've really got a substantial amount of weight here. Like I said, it weighs 2.5 kilos, so very, very large piece. Just an absolute incredible piece. Imagine if this was silver. Imagine how much something like this would cost if it was casted in silver. Absolutely outstanding. And I really, really love the rustic look that you've got on the board around the edge. I love all the trees in the background as well. Freya's got the sword. Not sure, what are these? Wolves, are they? Not too sure what animals these are. But yeah, absolutely incredible. Really, really stunning piece of work. So massive thank you, GSH, for sending this across for me to showcase. We're actually going to have this up on Stacker Social, like I said, for an auction. The auction is going to start next Friday. So that is Friday the 10th of January. And it is going to continue on until Monday at 9 PM. So you've got 4 days to be able to bid on this piece. And what an incredible piece to add to your collection. Whether you film YouTube videos or not, this would look amazing just sat down on your mantelpiece or on a shelf in your house. You have to have a strong shelf. But yeah, that would look absolutely incredible. I don't know if you'd be able to find a stand strong enough to hold it. Because like I said, even trying to get him to hold it. Oh, is he going to do it? Let's try and balance him. Go on, you've got this. You got it. You got it. But yeah, absolutely incredible. My idea of having him hold it is not really going to work unless I give him a little bit of help. Yeah, what an absolutely stunning piece of metal. Really, really cool. And I will leave a link in today's video for Stacker Social. So have a look in the description. Head over to Stacker Social Discord group if you're not already in there. Find the marketplace in there and you'll see this up for auction, like I said, from next Friday. But yeah, stunning piece. I think we're going to start this at, and now GSH said to me that I could pick the starting price. So I think what we're going to do is to have a little bit of fun. We'll start this at a low starting price. I think we'll start this at £15. So if you want to get your hands on this incredible piece of art, look at that relief. The bidding will start at £15. So there we go. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks again, GSH, for sending this across. I will be packaging this back up now so that you can get it back over and get some more photos of it and showcase it some more on Stacker Social before the auction begins. But yeah, absolutely incredible. The weight is amazing. And like I said, this is the biggest piece to date that GSH has poured. So that in itself is a real landmark piece. I just love the high relief of it. Absolutely incredible. Let me know in the comment section, if this was silver, would you be willing to part with as much cash as it would cost to buy a piece like this in silver? I'd be very interested to hear. Because something like this in silver would be absolutely incredible. You wouldn't really be able to display it on display like this piece because the amount of value in it would be a bit risky if someone broke into your house. But just to have something like this in your collection made out of precious metals would be absolutely incredible. It's one of them pieces you'd buy and hold on to forever. You'd never want to part with it. Absolutely stunning. And I'm really looking forward to when GSH starts pouring in silver as well. Because at the moment he has been experimenting with different metals. He's currently got a piece on Stacker Social, a copper piece that's also up for auction. I'm currently winning that auction. And again, that's another stunning piece that he has poured in copper. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for all the support. Please like and share this video. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.